guys, welcome back to Fly High Balloons Creations. Welcome everyone. My name is Deborah. If you're new here, we are so glad to have you. Please consider subscribing to our channel if you like and find the content helpful. Today, we are going to make this fun and festive freestanding selfie picture frame with balloons. This is perfect for parties, events, or just to add some fun to your photos. So let's get started. Materials needed are a selfie picture frame. You can make one yourself or buy one ready-made. I am using a super cute 4-feet Barbie selfie frame that I purchased from Etsy.com for my youngest granddaughter's 9th birthday. Balloons in your choice of colors. Make sure you have enough to cover the bottom of your stand. I am using Cyprotex brand balloons. Fashion Fusion, 5 inches, 11 inches, 18 inches. Fashion Pink, 5 inches, 11 inches, 18 inches. Reflex Silver, 5 inches, 11 inches, and 18 inches. A hand pump or electrical pump. I highly recommend using an electrical pump. Trust me, you will want this to save time and breath. A roll of strong adhesive tape. Duct tape or clear packaging tape works great. Scissors for cutting the tape. Last but not least, you will need 2 sturdy poles or stands. I am using my balloon stand. They come with these sturdy bases and 5 of these poles, and I am using all 5 of them. Let's first assemble the stands. Take the first pole, screw it onto the base, and screw the others on top of each other. I highly recommend using weight plates or any other type of weight for outdoors or high traffic areas. By the way, guys, my balloon stands are actually 5-feet floor lamps that I purchased from Walmart.com for about $10 each. Next, let's attach the frame to the stands. Take your selfie picture frame and decide where you want to attach it to the poles. Make sure your frame is sturdy enough to hold its shape. Now, position your frame where you want it on the poles. Once you are happy with the placement, tear off strips of tape and attach them to the frame and poles like this. Press down firmly to secure the frame. Repeat this on the other side with the second pole. Make sure everything is aligned and that the frame is steady. Double check that the frame is securely attached and won't slip. If needed, add an extra piece of tape at the bottom or sides for more stability. Now it's time to inflate balloons to form quad clusters to attach to the bottom of the stand. I first will inflate 2 11-inch balloons to different sizes and tie them together, making a duplet. See how the balloons have these coney shapes? Press down on them and slowly release the air to get that nice round shape. To tie them together, lay one neck over the other, pull tight against each other, wrap around twice, and tie a simple knot. I will do the same with 2 other 11-inch balloons, making another duplet. I took both duplets, bought them together, took one balloon from each duplet, twist them together, forming a quad of 4 balloons. I then inflated one 11-inch balloon and one 18-inch balloon, tied them together, making a duplet. I took the duplet and the quad, brought them together, took one small balloon from each, twist them together, forming a large cluster of 6 balloons. I will use these large clusters for the base of the frame for a fuller look. Next, I inflated 4 11-inch balloons, forming a small quad of 4 balloons. I will use these small quads for the top of the base for a fuller and balanced look. I repeated the process, inflating 4 5-inch balloons, forming mini quads. I will use these mini quads to fill in any gaps and for a cohesive look. I will continue this process with each of the other color of balloons, forming one large cluster of 6 balloons, 4 small quads, and several mini quads. Let's attach the balloons to the stand. Take your first cluster, slide it onto the pole between 2 small balloons, twist them slightly, securing the cluster onto the pole, and press it down to the base to make sure the balloons are snug and secure. Take your second cluster and find a scratchy neck and tie it to a scratchy neck in your first cluster. Do the same with your third cluster. Tie the neck of it to your second cluster, slide it onto the pole between 2 small balloons, twist them slightly, press it down to the base to make sure the balloons are snug and secure. We will repeat the process with the top small quads, securing them onto the stand. Right here, guys, I don't know what I was thinking by placing that hot pink quad with those light pink quads. When I looked through my camera, I said, that don't look right. But off camera, I replaced it with a light pink quad and looked back through my camera and I said, now that looks right. Tip, guys, always step back and look at your work and look into your camera to get a better view of your work. Now let's attach the mini quads to the quad clusters using the rubber band method to fill in any gaps and for a cohesive look. And there you have it, a beautiful freestanding selfie picture frame with balloons, perfect for capturing memories at your next event. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe for more DIY projects. Until next time, you guys stay blessed, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!